GoPro is preparing to unveil its highly awaited Hero 13. Fans are excited for its debut, leading to much speculation about its potential features. With competitors like DJI and Insta360, GoPro needs to innovate to stay ahead. The Hero 13 is expected to fix previous issues and bring in new features to stay on top. Let's dive into what the GoPro Hero 13 might offer, when it might be released, and the excitement building around it. According to certain sources, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is set to be released on September 15, 2024. GoPro's consistent yearly product launches leave little doubt about this timeline. The new model is expected to introduce advanced features, promising to take adventure photography to new heights. While official details are still under wraps, there is much speculation about what the Hero 13 might offer. Expected capabilities include shooting video in 5K at 30 frames per second or in 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second. The camera might deliver more detailed photos, potentially up to 32 megapixels, and better image stabilization. Enhanced battery life and waterproofing up to 10 meters are also anticipated. Excitement is particularly high for the camera's stabilization feature. The upcoming HyperSmooth 7.0 is expected to surpass the current HyperSmooth 6.0, which already includes features like auto boost and horizon leveling, even during 360-degree movements. This could mean even smoother videos, regardless of movement. There's also talk about a new processor, like a computer chip, that could make the camera work faster and overall better. Some hope the Hero 13 will excel at taking pictures in low light, capturing high-quality photos and videos even in the dark. People are also hoping the GoPro can be used as a dashcam, especially when plugged into a car's power supply. This would make it handy for recording while driving. Additionally, there's a wish for a versatile mount that can keep the camera steady and attached to various surfaces easily. Action cameras often struggle with nighttime photography, but there's hope the Hero 13 might overcome this with new technology, such as AI. Using AI to enhance nighttime shots could greatly improve all types of photography, not just action shots. Overall, people are eager to see what the new GoPro can do, hoping it will make taking pictures and videos even more fun and straightforward. The GoPro Hero 13 has the potential to transform the action camera landscape. If reports are accurate, users can expect exceptional picture and video quality that captures every moment of their adventures, delivering stunning visuals that fully immerse viewers in the action. As excitement builds among fans, we eagerly await the official announcement and confirmation of the GoPro Hero 13 features.